Hi! In front of me is TCL 205 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings. Now choose Connected Devices and click on Pair New Device. Then just wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the chosen one and wait for the pop-up. If you wish to continue, you need to select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, just click on this gear icon next to the device and tap on Forget. Lastly, confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!